Elizabeth.
You don't want nobody.
Hello.
You don't want nobody. It's old category.
Oh, wow.
I feel underdressed in here, man.
Told you.
Dude, like, I ain't seen no these dogs out yet. I told you I should put my kicks on. It's like we here to vibe and they here to fuck.
This building is gold from the outside. You guys, we switched to a true 5-star resort. Like they said, it was 5 diamond star, and this hotel plays no games. I'll tell y'all more about it when I can, but I don't even know. It's just, what do the buttons do? Let's do flicks. Stuff is happening. Oh. Other. What's happening? What's happening? There's some. My God. Oh, doorbell. That is a bidet with so many features. It has a remote. Yes, the shower is completely exposed. Yes, the speakers. Insane. Insane hotel.
That's just with my flops up there.
Well, yeah, I'm wearing essentially flops.
You're a female. You got good toes.
Look at this stocked mini fridge. Yeah. So much magic. Yeah. Okay. Five freaking stars. 5 stars. 5 diamond stars. Five diamond stars. 5 diamond. I don't even know if they're stars, but it's 5 diamonds.